Here's one thing that I'm absolutely going to de-influence you guys, and that is facial icing. This trend went viral because you do see immediate results, and we're in the era where we want immediate, fast results, right? But I want to discourage you guys from doing this because it is very temporary. This constricts your blood vessels, so you are going to be seeing a less puffier face, but in the long run, So my long-term solution is lymphatic drainage. If you do wake up to a puffy face, I'm going to show you guys easy exercises you guys can do to get a less puffier face, and this is going to help shape the face of your face in the long run. You're going to apply your favorite moisturizer, but you can also do this with oil, serums, whatever thing that hydrate your skin, and make sure you're going to pull it down to your neck area and down to your boobosphere as well. First, we're going to start with massaging our armpit, and you're like, why are we touching our armpit? Aren't we supposed to be touching our face? But this place is a really good place to kind of detox, and I'm telling you, when it comes to lymphatic drainage, everything in your body is connected. So do this on one side and then go to the other side. You're going to be feeling really good after this. Now with your 2 fingers, you're going to find a point right in front of your ear, not behind, but right here. And then you're going to just massage it in circular motions. And then we're going to drain that down, okay? So kind of go behind your ear, neck, and then bring that forward right to this point. Think of these 2 points as like the garbage can of your face. So we're going to drain that out, okay? So 1 circular, move that back, drain, and then throw it out. Now we're going to do the same thing, but move it up. So we're going to find it right next to your eyebrow. Once again, circular motion. And then we're going to move that towards the same exact path right here, behind, and then drain that out.